Danishtube. Hey Danishtube, it is official, you can now become a member of the Danishtube YouTube channel and join Team Aarhus or Team Copenhagen. And why would you want to do that? Well, you can get loyalty badges next to your name. You can get custom emojis, live chats, priority replies on your comments, and access to the chat room, Discord chat room, where you can, chat with me, chat with other Danish learners, lifetime. Join Team Copenhagen, and you're also going to get access to brand new videos, bonus videos that are only available for Team Copenhageners, as well as member-only live streams and member-only podcast episodes. There's a lot going on. If you think that it's exciting, you want to support my work, it doesn't cost a lot. Go over to my YouTube channel, go to the homepage, join the community, become a team member of Team Aarhus or become a team member of Team Copenhagen. Whichever you prefer, it's going to make a big difference. Tak for nu. Vi ses.